Tunyn AI is one of the latest game-changing AI tools. And if you've been looking for the most cutting-edge software to boost your productivity or streamline your workflow, this review of Tunyn AI will break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly whether Tunyn AI is worth your time and investment, and how it compares to other solutions that claim to do the same. Before we dive in, you can actually try Tunyn AI completely free through the first link below. But let's see if this is the right software for you. Tunyn AI was just released, and it's quickly turning heads in the digital marketing space. What sets it apart from others is its simplicity combined with powerful functionality. If you've used AI before, you're likely used to tools that require a steep learning curve. With Tunyn AI, you can hit the ground running. The first thing to note is its ability to generate high-quality, contextually relevant content. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, or even ad copy, Tunyn AI's ability to understand and produce human-like language is impressive. This feature alone could save countless hours, especially for digital marketers or content creators who are constantly in need of fresh, engaging material. Secondly, the software has advanced customization options. With Tunyn AI, you're not just getting generic output. You can fine-tune it to match your tone, voice, or the specific style you're looking for. This level of personalization isn't common among all AI tools, making it incredibly useful for those who need to maintain a consistent brand identity across multiple platforms. Another standout feature is its integration capability. Tunyn AI works seamlessly with popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and other content management systems. So if you're already using these tools, you won't have to worry about disrupting your workflow. Now, let's talk about the AI's learning curve. One of the most appealing aspects of Tunyn AI is that it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get great results. The interface is intuitive, and even beginners can start using it effectively after just a few minutes of getting familiar with it. But Tunyn AI is not just for content generation. It also includes robust analytics features. If you're a marketer, the insights provided can help you refine your strategy, track content performance, and understand which types of copy are most effective in your niche. This data-driven approach is something that most content tools don't provide out of the box, and it's a huge value add. Something that makes Tunyn AI stand out from its competitors is the depth of its natural language processing. The software understands nuance and context better than many of the other tools currently available. This allows you to generate more creative and sophisticated outputs, whether it's for a blog post, an email campaign, or a social media strategy. The final point that I have to mention is customer support. Many users praise the helpful and responsive team behind Tunyn AI. It's clear that the developers care about their user experience, and that's reflected in the top-notch customer service you can expect if you run into any issues. Now, if you're interested in giving Tunyn AI a try, remember that you can access it for free through the first link below. But if you're looking for more options, I've also included a list of other recommended AI software tools in the description. These have been thoroughly tested and come from a collection of thousands of AI tools I've reviewed. So, to recap, Tunyn AI stands out for its content creation capabilities, customization, integration options, user-friendly interface, advanced NLP, and strong support. If you're looking for an AI tool that combines ease of use with powerful features, Tunyn AI is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below to give it a test run for free and see how it can work for your needs.